వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం. సవై పుంసాం పరో ధర్మో యతో భక్తిరధోక్షజ అహైతుక్యా ప్రతిహత యయాత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయా చక్షురున్మీలితం యేన తస్మై శ్రీగురవే నమః. సవై పుంసా పరో ధర్మో యతో భక్తి అధోక్షజే అహైతికి అప్రతిహత యయాత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. యయాత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. ఎపిసోడ్ 4. సో the alternate term for pravritti marga is aparadharma. Why we ask the aparadharma at all? Why not just prescribe paradharma? The answer is this, that in order to regulate materialistic society, generally the conditioned living entity as well as a lot of envy in his heart, a lot of envy. ధర్మ ప్రోజ్జిత కైతవోత్ర పరమో నిర్మచ్చరాణం సత మచ్చర. A lot of envy in his heart. Naturally, human being in his heart, he has క్రోధన, నిత్యశంకిత, నిస్సంతోష, ఈర్ష్యాలు, జుగుప్స. These are the qualities naturally. The envy is so acute that he can kind of cruel activity for his own sense gratification. If he wants sense gratification, he can do any cruel activity for his own sense gratification. That is the nature of the human being. Selfishness, ఈర్ష్య, అసూయ, క్రోధన, నిత్యశంకిత, నిస్సంతోషి. So in order to regulate this enviousness, at least to the human platform, below that is animal platform. In any animal platform there are no rules. The only rule is might is right. There is no rules in animal platform. If you are a stronger animal, you can go and kill any animal. Nobody has questioned you. The lion goes and catches a rabbit and then he eats it. Rabbit cannot go and challenge the lion. It is not possible. They can't have the rules and etc. In fables and stories we have rules. Actually the lion has no rules. If it wants to kill 100 rabbits also, it will kill. In order to regulate human society, there is varna. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra and Ashrama. Brahmachari, Gruhastha, Vanaprastha, Sannyasa. This is called Varnashrama Dharma. Varnashrama Dharma gradually promotes the consciousness of the living entity from tamoguna to satvoguna, tamasoma jyotirgamaya, from tamoguna to satvoguna. So this is how the society has to be regulated. In fact, Srila Prabhupada also, there should be varnashrama. Why? Because the Srimad Bhagavatam principles are very high. Somebody may not be able to live on that platform. Then there has to be some way. They do not fall to the animal platform or non-regulated life. At least there should be some regulation in the life. Now in modern society, nobody follows any dharma, or therefore the whole society turned into animal society. Somebody asked Srila Prabhupada, what do you think about terrorists in 72 like that? And Srila Prabhupada said, when the society is full of animals, you can expect some other to be ferocious. The society is completely filled with full of animals, the two-legged animals. Then some animal may be ferocious. In the same way, nowadays in the modern society, all people are like behaving animals. Then in that animals, some animal may be ferocious, some other may be tame. Then the ferocious animal kill the tame animal. In the same way, terrorists also. Prabhupada replied like that. One should not be surprised for that. Now more and more terrorists are coming. More and more violence is coming in the society. Because the society is full of animals. No dharma at all, no varna at all, no ashrama at all, no rules and no regulations. Dvipada Pashu. There are no human beings, only the Dvipada Pashu, two-legged animals. One platform is at least follow Varnashrama Dharma. This does not mean that as devotee reach Varnashrama Dharma as the main part. This mistake we should not make. We please Bhagavata Dharma, but create a platform for others to follow dharmic way of life, so that at least they do not degrade themselves to at least animal way of life. Therefore, Srimad Bhagavatam said, Dharma projita kaitavotra paramo nirmacharanam satam. This Bhagavata Dharma completely rejects the cheating religion is known as Pravritti Marga. It is only going to prescribe the Parodharma religion. What is the essence of Parodharma? The essence of Parodharma, we should develop our relationship with God, Krishna. That is called Savai Pumsam Parodharma. The more you develop your relationship with Krishna, the more you feel your satisfaction and the more you become detached from all those troubles and things of this material world which cause dissatisfaction of the heart. So, Paradharma or Parodharma or Nivritti Marga is not just a matter of dry renunciation. That will not give satisfaction to the heart. That is another side of the same sense gratification program. When I tried something, I did not like it because I did not succeed. Now I tried another grapes. Now process of jumping another grapes, and after jumping number of times you can't get to the grapes. The grapes are very high. Finally you are looking very morose in your heart. You are feeling the grapes may be bitter. If the grapes are lower, if you feel the same grapes are sweeter again. Next, if the grapes are lower, again you jump and get it. This is dry renunciation. Nivritti Marga is not a matter of renunciate things artificially. It is very, very important. So consider simple example. A man and his wife, they have some quarrels. The man thinks, I will become sannyasi. But then the next day, again she speaks sweetly to him. Then now he thinks, she is nice, why I take sannyasa? Why do I take sannyasa? Why it is happening? Because this is on the artificial platform. We will discuss about this in next episode. I will stop. Now I am going to stop here. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि।